without me? What did she say? What did you do without me? What did you do? Did you play games without me? What did you play? Did you think all this time that I wouldn't play all of you? That's why I heard the story over and over again. She is strong and finally meet her other friend.
She's running circles around us.
I'm Rusty. Give me a break.
It really is her, but she can't be serious.
You know her, Pearl? Can you tell us who she is?
Who am I? Who am I? What do you even say? I'm the loser of the game. You didn't know you were playing. Let's play another game. This time I get to win.